Namaste students, खुश रहो बेटियां. I JBN Dr. Vaikom Nirkala, Assistant Professor Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the remembering and forgetting. Memory can be likened or to a giant filing cabinet in the brain with data sorted or a classified or a cross filed with the future reference. Remembering depends on how the brain goes about coding its input. So how do we remember models of a memory? First is storage and transfer model. In this model, which has been suggested by Atkinson and Schifrin in 1968, in connection with the working memory, they have suggested three different memory storage systems. That is the memory store, a term store, and a long-term store. Memory store, a short-term store, and a long-term store. Here the environmental input, which is sensory stored by an iconic echo or a haptic, which is transferred to the short-term memory. That is the temporary working memory, which is controlled, processed, rehearsed, coded, and discussion and retrieval strategy which responds the output and which converts later on into a long-term store or a permanent memory store. So here the process of memorization starts with the interaction of one's sense organ with the one's environment. That is one sense organ with one's environment. The sensory message or the information must stay on a linger to the resource system belief briefly to the given to the brain time to interrupt it. The sensory information passing through the sensory store either disappear within a second or is transferred to the short-term store. In the case of a short-term store, is able to hold or register the information up to a 20 seconds. It may move to a long-term store. Okay. For transferring information from the short-term store to a long-term store, one can make control process. The long-term store is used for storing the sensory memory or information on a permanent basis. Forgetfulness. Forgetfulness is the loss of a permanent or a temporary or the ability to recall or recognize something learned earlier. Okay. So here the type of forgetting is it may be broadly classified as natural or morbid forgetfulness. In the natural forgetfulness, the forgetfulness occurs with the lapse of time in a quite normal way without any intention of forgetfulness on a pair of individual which is morbid or abnormal. Forgetfulness or deliberately tries by or a forgetting something. Like according to another view, forgetfulness may be classified as general or specific. In case of forgetfulness, one suffers to a total loss of one's recall or some previous learning. So curve of a forgetfulness we can see in here the 20 minute after 20 minutes time lapse 47% will be forgotten. After 1 day 66% will be forgotten and after 2 days 72% and after 6 days 75%. After 31 days 79% may be forgot. The time lapse may vary from person to person depending upon the forgottenness. So the individual difference in learning, both hereditary and environmental force are said to be the role of determinant on the wide individual difference found in a human being. After the conception, what goes on or inside or outside or after birth, the interaction with the environmental force or the physical, social, and the cultural and educational interaction with the environment, or the opportunity or an ability to for the growth and development in all creative uh, areas, and also which creates an individual difference here. Okay, the knowledge of existence wide individual difference among the learners and to carry a quite significant educational implications. So it has been a help or a learning to know themselves in terms of potential and teachers and the parents to realize that they have to teach and care their children in terms of individual difference. So here in this sessions we have learned that learning can be a relative permanent change in the behavior and the learner through experience and practices. So here one of the important characteristics of learning is that the transferable, and one the amount of transfer may vary. So it depends upon the factor involved in learning. Okay. So there is no complete transfer of learning from one subject to the another. So certain theories or the unit of theories on development of cognitive development, psycho social developments, or moral development, a theory of psychosocial development, and theories of emotional development. Certain theories are being implemented for learning and its transfer. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, we'll discuss in the problem solving session. Thank you.